We'll pick the one where this weird guy wears, shoes every 3 days, jackets every 6 days, and hats every 8 days. Let's do this. And we are asking, how many days once will he wear all three of them together? Now, what has this got to do with LCM is a great question. Okay? Much greater than asking me how to find LCM. So why? So what is like asking this? This is like asking, hey, if I look at the number line, if on the 0th day his life begins, then every 3rd day, right, he'll be wearing his shoes. So every multiple of 3 day, he'll be wearing his shoes. Every multiple of 6th day, he'll be wearing his jacket. And every multiple of 8 day, he'll be wearing his hat. Then on that day that he will wear all three, he will have, that day that he wears all three will actually be a common multiple of all these three numbers. And the first day in which he'll wear it will be the least of these common multiples, right? That will be the number of days once that he will continue to wear it. Yes, that's why it's a least common multiple problem. Once you've established this, once you've understood this, right, it's much easier to calculate the LCM between 3, 6 and 8, right? What is going to be the LCM? You're going to write 3, 6, 8. What is the method we discussed? Look at three numbers, find if there are any common factors between all three numbers. Do you get any? There isn't any at all. So then you just pick, okay, at least 2, let it be there. So you pick something like 3, right? And then you divide all of it, whatever you can divide by 3 by 3. So what do you get? 3 becomes just 1, 6 becomes 2, 8 just remains as 8. So you're happy. Now you write, okay, 2, right? 2 is there, 2 goes in both of those. So you write 2 over there. You get 1 is already 1. Yeah, you're just going to ignore whatever became 1. Okay? Not going to divide 1 by 2 and all. No. Just write 1 then. 2 becomes 1 right now and 8 becomes 4. Yeah, so you had 1, 3, 1, 2 and you have 1, 1, 4 over here, right? So you can now be a little lazy. You can just divide by 4 once and write 1, 1, 1. Because you know that what's going to happen is you can write 2 once and then 2 once more. So you can just write 4. So you have 4, 2 and 3 in your LCM and everything has become 1. So 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 3 is 24. So what's going to happen in this case? You're going to have all three of them coming he's going to wear all three of them once every 24 days. Some real world sounding answer for something that we learned called the LCM. So with all this done, as you solve more problems and identify where to apply LCM, you learn better.